Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel Etsy shop, full guide step by step clearly. To cancel your Etsy shop, first, log into your Etsy account. Navigate to the Shop Manager section. Click on Settings from the left-hand menu. Select information from the drop-down options. Scroll down to the bottom of the page. You will see the Close Your Shop section. Click on the Close Shop button. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm your decision. Read the information provided about closing your shop. If you're certain, click on Confirm Closing. After closing your shop, your listings will no longer be visible to customers. Your shop will be marked as inactive. You will still have access to your shop's data and order history. If you decide to reopen your shop, simply log in again. Navigate back to the Shop Manager. You will find the option to reopen your shop. Follow the prompts to reactivate your listings. Remember, closing your shop doesn't delete your account. Your account information will remain intact for future use. Keep in mind that if you have any outstanding orders, these need to be resolved before closing your shop. Ensure all transactions are completed or canceled as necessary. Once everything is settled, proceed with closing your shop as outlined above. With these steps, you will have successfully canceled your Etsy shop. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.